a course on how to have a digital online business when you don't even know what digital products are. In this video, I'm going to tell you what digital products are, what they're not, and how you can have an online business that's done for you, but where you obviously still have to plug in and make it work every single day. But you can have a lot of fun doing it. So in this video, let's talk about digital products. What are they? Digital products are anything that you can download. So it's not, like a book that you can hold on to. It's a guide, a manual, a day planner, anything that's in digital form, in the form of a PDF, in the form of an ebook. Those are digital products. Also, digital products are guides and blueprints that you can help other people get from where they are to where they want to be, like learning how to launch an online business, learning how to create passive income, learning how to master attraction marketing, learning how to create your own online course, program, or online product. So those are examples of digital products because they come in written form, but you download them. So those are digital products, and they are all the rage. Why? Because who wants to wait to get a physical book? You want it right now. You want to pay for it right now. You want to get the knowledge right now. So that's why it's huge, and it's a growing industry. I'm not going to try and impress you with how big it is, but I think, out of all billions of people that are online, digital marketing is one of the fastest growing fields. So if you are looking to create an online business, what could be better than have digital products that people want and that are proven to sell? So knowing that, I know your next question is, I don't know what to create. I don't even know how to create a digital product. That's okay. See, the class that I bought into and invested in, it already has the digital products, and they're already proven to sell. So I didn't have to spend time doing the research, making the digital products, or trying to figure out if people even wanted them. Someone else already did that. And they give me the master resale rights to resell the program, resell those digital products. So it's different than brick and mortar, totally different, because I didn't have to create any of the products, and yet I get the right to resell them. And I keep 100% profit, so it's not like I have to split it with you and there's another level and there's a level above me. That's all multi-level marketing. That's kind of, in my opinion, old school. That's kind of the way it was back in the day, where you had to split some of your profit if you didn't create the product. But this is master resale rights, where someone else creates the products, they're proven to sell, they've done all that work. You just buy the course that shows you step by step what to do with it, which is what we all need, right? I know that's what I needed. I needed to know, okay, that's great. I have access to it. I can resell it, but what do I do? How do I do it? So this course I bought into is really showing me who my perfect customer is, what it is they're lacking, what it is they need. And I've added my own spin as well, because I'm now going to be using my coaching and mentoring skills to help my people who purchase from me, help them stay out of the weeds. So the massive course I bought into will step them through everything they need to know to create their online business. They could have their online business up and running in a few days if they want to. And where I come in is I coach them one-on-one to keep them out of the weeds. Because I know when I bought into this course, it was there was so much information. I was just trying to figure out where do I knew where to start, but I wanted to do everything all at once. It was like drinking from the fire hose, and it's all such good information. I was kind of trying to absorb it all, and I ended up wasting time because I was trying to learn so much. And I thought it would be really great if I had a mentor that would work with me one-on-one without charging an extra fee, that would keep me out of the weeds and keep me, moving forward. Because the idea is to get profitable, right? The idea is to make your money back right away, within 7 days. So the course I have, you'll get mentoring, and you'll get Zoom classes and Zoom mentoring, which is great, but you might be one of several hundred people waiting to have a question asked and answered. And with when my customers buy from me, they have all my contact information. They can just reach out and text me at any time, not overnight, but at any time. And I'm going to respond right away to help them continue moving forward. Because my feeling is about 95% of the people quit because they get frustrated, that they get stuck, and they don't know where to go to find their specific answer. And what the big gurus and influencers don't have time for is they can't possibly answer every single individual's question. So they end up breaking people up into little groups to try and kind of brainstorm the answer. And that's great, but I am feeling a gap where wouldn't it be great if someone already went through all this and they could work with someone one-on-one? So like you can offer this to your customers as well, where they get to reach out to you and you answer questions like once a day. And you can answer it through a Loom video. You can answer it. It doesn't have to be like on a phone call. So you can still have that great connection with your customers without tying up all of your day. And that's the biggest part, is nobody really wants to spend their entire day answering questions. So that's where, unless you're a massive influencer, this is something you can offer your clients, that you will work with them to keep them out of the weeds. So if you want to know more about this program I'm following that's teaching me attraction marketing, how to launch an online business, how to be profitable, and so much more, you can go to my website, freedomdailypaybusiness.com, but you have to take the first step. You have to put in your email, and that way you'll get a video that will show you what it is I'm talking about. But you'll also be now connected to me through email, and you can reach out to me and I'll share my contact with you so that I can help you get started. Because the only reason people take these courses is to make more money, right? Because making an extra $300 a day, an extra $900 a day, or even $900 a month would probably change a lot of people's lives that are working for someone else, or they're in a job that they cannot stand. And you're smarter than your boss, you're smarter than people around you, and you're like, I have got to move forward from this. Or you probably could be like me, I have a business, but I can't scale it to the moon. So that's why I came to social media looking for a better way. I'm Mary, and I'm following a course that is showing me a better way. If you want to know how I'm doing it, you have to take the first step. This is not for you if you're not willing to take the first step. This is for only people who are ready to work towards that dream life they have in their mind. You can go to freedomdailypaybusiness.com, drop your email in, we'll be connected, and I'm here to help you.